Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn about a Python program. Write a Python program that produces a bigram feature vector from a given string. So given a string as an input to the Python program, so you have to produce a bigram feature vector. So here is a definition of bigram, a pair of consecutive written units such as words. So a pair of words is referred to be as that is a bigram. So for example, let's take a sample string, that is sun rises in the east is my sample string, and this is my bigram feature vector, that is sun rises in the east. So if you see, this is a list of tuples, and if you try to closely notice, that is a tuple of index 0, east is missing, and in the tuple of index 1, so you can see the sun is missing. That means we have taken out the sun. So we are taking a list of strings and we are trying to eliminate the last in the first string, that is first string list of strings, and in the that is another list of strings we are trying to eliminate the sun in the second list of strings, and we are trying to zip it. So that is how the we are trying to solve this Python program. So yeah, so let's get started. So let me take a variable text equals to, let me ask a user to enter a string. Yeah, so once the user enters a string, so let's split it and get the list of strings using a space. So this will give us the list. So text will be of type list of strings. So once we get the list of strings, so let's take a bigram list, and let's initialize this to an empty. So now what we'll do is we have to iterate the to list, and same time we have to, that is we have to zip the list. So let's take a for loop for bigram in, we have to zip the two lists over here, two list items, that is let's take a text. So we have to eliminate the, that is the last item. So yeah, so let's give -1, and yeah, so to eliminate this is colon -1, and to eliminate the last item, and to eliminate the first item from the list, text of, that is 1 colon, will remove the, that is sun out of the, that is out of the list. So this is to eliminate the last item, and this is to eliminate the first item. That means east will be removed over here, and sun will be removed from this list. So once we get the zipped item, that is bigram, so let's append the bigram to the bigram list. So let's take a bigram list dot append, and yeah, so let's append the bigram. Yeah, so once this is done, so let's print the bigram list. Sorry, let's directly print it, that is a bigram list. Yeah, so this is a complete program to produce a bigram feature vector from a given string. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So enter a string. So let me copy the same from over here, that is sun rises in east. So you can see the bigram vector has been printed, that is sun rises in the east. So if you try to see, this is a odd list length. So let me add something else over here to make it even. This is even. So you can see sun rises in the east even. So you can see the tuples are 1 2 3 4 and 5 tuples, and if you see in the, that is the odd list length, so you can see only 4. Yeah, so this is the method to produce the bigram feature vector, and you can see the, this is the way to remove the last item, and this is the way to remove the first item from the list and zip it together and append it to form a bigram. Yeah, so this is a complete program to produce a bigram feature vector from a given string. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.